What if you could make money without having to work for it every day? Passive income works like that. Setting up a system that continues to pay you, even when you are not actively engaging, is analogous to that. My top 5 suggestions for passive income will be discussed in this video. You can get started on these right away because they are easy to do and useful. This video will provide you with a clear picture of how to earn money while you sleep, unwind, travel, or do whatever else you enjoy. So let's get started. First, let's talk about crowdfunding for real estate. I am not advising you to purchase a whole apartment complex, so don't worry. Small-scale investments in large-scale real estate projects are the main focus of real estate crowdfunding. It is really simple thanks to platforms like Fundrise, CrowdStreet, or Real-Time Mogul. The hard things like property management are handled by them. You simply need to invest. This is why it's effective. When the property's value increases, you get a portion of the profits or rental revenue. And the finest aspect? You can begin without being an expert in real estate. As a brief example, suppose you spend $500 on real estate. With time, rental income could bring in a few dollars per month, and when the house is sold, it could bring in even more. Here's a hint, though. Start small and expand. Distribute your funds among several properties rather than investing all of your money in one. The others may be able to make up for it if one doesn't perform up to par. Let's move on to discussing dividend stocks, one of the classics. In fact, some companies pay you a portion of their profits when you purchase shares in them. It's known as a dividend. Typically, the money comes in every 3 months, and all you have to do is keep onto those shares. One of the simplest methods to get your money to work for you is this. Acorn, Stash, and Robinhood are just a few of the apps that make investing easy for novices. What it might look like is this. You purchase 100 shares of a business that pays $1 annually for each share. That's $100 in your pocket without any action on your part. Would you like to go further with this? You should reinvest your dividends. A lot of businesses provide dividend reinvestment plans, which use your profits to purchase additional shares automatically. This can significantly increase your portfolio's growth over time. Choosing businesses with a track record of reliably paying dividends is another piece of advice. These are sometimes called dividend aristocrats because they can offer greater stability. Making an ebook or online course comes in third. Why not make money doing what you're good at and share it with the world? You might be exceptionally skilled in graphic design, cookery, or even gardening. Use that information to create a digital product. Global distribution of your book or course is made simple by platforms such as Amazon Kindle, Skillshare, and Udemy. What's even better is that you only need to make it once. It continues to make money for you after that. Take, for instance, a basic course on how to plant a vegetable garden created by you. Sign-ups come in each month and you get a little extra money with no additional work. However, let's add one more. Promoting is essential. Without awareness, even the best book or course won't sell. Spread the word via influencer collaborations, email newsletters, and social media. Let me give you a pro tip. Pay attention to resolving a particular issue. Clear needs-based courses and ebooks typically sell better. Consider authoring 10 tips for growing tomatoes in small spaces as an alternative to a generic how-to garden book. The next topic is affiliate marketing. Since you don't have to make a product yourself, this is one of my favorites. Rather, you utilize your unique link to promote things that you already enjoy and receive a reward when someone purchases. You can use social media, a YouTube channel, or even a blog for this. If you have an existing audience or intend to develop one, it's ideal. For illustration, let's imagine you writing a blog post about a coffee maker. Every time someone purchases the product after you provide an affiliate link, you receive a tiny amount. That soon adds up when multiplied by a few sales. Want to make full use of this? Select items that fit your interests or brand. Promote exercise equipment or supplements if your YouTube channel is about fitness. In this manner, your audience is more inclined to believe what you have to say. Also, don't go overboard. It's important to be genuine. Put your attention on goods you actually use and support. This will prevent your audience from feeling constantly marketed to. Lastly, peer-to-peer lending is an option. It is comparable to becoming a bank. Lending Club and Prosper are platforms that allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses, who then repay you with interest. With little effort, it's an easy method to increase your wealth. You can start small and yet see returns, so you don't have to lend out large sums. Here's one instance. At an interest rate of 8%, you lend $1,000. Since you let someone borrow your money, you have earned $80 in interest by the end of the year. It's important to note that peer-to-peer lending carries some risk. It is always possible that the borrower will not repay you. Loan diversification will reduce this risk. Rather than giving $1,000 to one individual, give $100 to 10 separate people. The platform's rating system should also be examined. By evaluating the borrower's creditworthiness, the majority of platforms allow you to make lending decisions depending on their risk tolerance. I shared with you the top 5 passive income ideas. Not all of them are required of you. Start modestly and choose the one that feels good for you. Keep in mind, passive income isn't a quick fix. It involves gradually establishing consistent revenue streams. Which of these concepts best appeals to you? Leave a remark below. I'd be interested to know what you think. To ensure you don't miss any more informative videos, please remember to subscribe and enable notifications if you found this one useful.